Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the trunk lid of a Volkswagen Tiguan. This is a Tiguan 2016, but you can do this trick for all of Volkswagen Group cars. The only requirement is that it has to have a electronic trunk lid. And I'm going to show you about a complaint. The customer came to us with a trunk lid that opens half like this. When we open it, as you can see, it opens half. It opens about 1.60 meters, and you can adjust that for yourself. The trick is, you see here two buttons. Let's say I want to open it full, then just push it up with your hand to the maximum like this. Then go to these buttons, press and hold this button till you hear a beep and the lights go on and off. Once you have done this, press this to close it. And when we open it now, as you can see, it opens now fully for about 2 meters high. So this is for the people to adjust them for themselves. If you are not that tall, you can adjust it for your own length, and I needed it for the customer to be at maximum length, and so I did it at the maximum. I hope this trick helped you. Hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye, stay safe.